This is everything you need to know to choose tiles for your bathroom. Hi, my name's Marja. When it comes to choosing tiles, the possibilities are endless and it can get a little overwhelming. So here's some tips to help. Let's get started. A good rule of thumb when choosing tiles is to keep it to 3. This will make sure that you have a nice balance and you don't overwhelm your bathroom with too many patterns and colours. Your next step is to choose a feature tile that you'll love. For example, this tile has lovely blue tones and variation. There are hints of white and all of these different shades of blue. Next, choose a complementary floor tile. When selecting these, make sure that they are suitable for floors. Floor tiles can be used on floors or walls. However, wall tiles should only be used on walls. The third tile to pick is a neutral one that will work with the other two. This textured white tile will add freshness and lightness to a bathroom. You can keep your bathroom tonal by choosing fixtures and fittings in a similar tone. Layering with similar coloured accessories will also help keep your space tonal. Another thing to consider is, do you go glossy or do you go matte? There's no hard and fast rules, however, matte tiles will soak up the light, whereas glossy tiles will reflect it and bounce it around. It's a good idea just to keep a bit of a mix in your bathroom to have variation. Take some samples home and see what they look like in the lighting of your bathroom. Remember, things don't always look the same as they do online or in the store. And there you have it, ideas to help you choose your tiles. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.